figured it out. Got a real bit of bad taste in your mouth. Oh no, what did I do? And it wasn't long till you had to decide that you need a little bit of space in your life. Oh no, where did you go? I thought forever was enough to live in my arms with nothing in your way. Maybe I gave too much, but no one else I'd ever love. 'Cause baby, I want you. They say that time heals, but I can feel the stars alive. And now what I feel wouldn't happen with you by my side. The bitter taste. You never know what you got till it's gone. If the pieces don't fit, how can I carry on? Oh no, lost on the breeze. Time to start again, draw a line in the sand. Give me one last chance to prove I'm the man.